Good day, Sir Charles. I'm Charles Darmotilla, along with Joshua Rafael Guarin, and in this video, we will be showcasing to you our tic-tac-toe game. Starting off with the design, we have adapted the color palette and theme of one of the gamer on Geometry Dash, a rhythm-based game. So as you can see, this is her icon, which is a light teal and white. However, medyo naboringan kami sa light teal at saka white. So, nag-add kami ng second color which is a somewhat of a beige, light beige, ganun. So, para hindi naman boring. And pastel color kasi it's easier for the eyes and medyo chill lang siya tignan. And for our font style sa text namin, we have used a modern font style na chill and medyo loose lang din sa mata natin. Now let's proceed with the mechanics. So as we can see, we have a window here para sa symbol selection natin. So let's choose X. And then we will play normally. And kapag nanalo ka, may winning sound. And yung tiles magbabago ng color, highlighting the pattern na nakuha ng player. And if you wanna play again, just press the restart button and may mag-a-appear na choose symbol ulit. Nasa kabilang screen kasi, so I'll just drag it here. In this case, let's play the O symbol. But this time, itatry naman natin yung vertical na pattern. So, ayan, vertical, panalo tayo. And let's do it again. But this time, pa-diagonal naman. Let's start with X ulit. And ayan yung mga usual rules sa conventional tic-tac-toe game. Now let's proceed with the unique features of the game. So, pag umabot tayo ng 6th turn, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, merong move dito na mamamodify. So as you can see, yung X symbol dito naging O. So, ang mangyayari, may chance yung O player na manalo. Yan. And as you can see, yung window natin nag-change ng color into red, indicating na nasa late game na tayo. So, let's restart again and try to play until mag-tie yung symbols natin. Now, let's try to tie the game. So as you can hear, nag-play siya ng different sound and yung makikita rin natin na yung tiles natin is nag-change all into a yellow color indicating na nag-tie yung game. And to close the game, we just click X and that's it. And that's everything for our mechanics and features. Now let's go to the last part. Now as to how the late game works, so here, nakalagay dito, if yung button na yon is empty, and not check winner, meaning wala pang panalo, yung button na yon will be replaced by the player's symbol. So if yung player is equals to X, then it will be replaced by X or O. And that move will be stored in the move history. And yung turn count natin will increment by 1. And if dinivide natin siya sa value na 6 and we have a remainder of 0, mag-execute na yung apply late game rule natin. And if may panalo naman, ayun. And if may panalo naman, i-display niya yung winning player. And kapag wala pang panalo, the game continues. Once na nag-proceed na yung mga players natin sa late game, and if there are one more tile na empty sa game board natin, meron tayong ipapop na random move from the previous moves na ginawa ng mga players natin. And yung random button na yon is mapapalitan ng opposite symbol ng player na yan. So for example, yung player 1 natin is X, magiging O siya and vice versa. And yung window label and reset button, mapapalitan yung default color nila into red and mag-a-appear na rin yung late game label natin sa baba ng window. And that concludes our showcase of our tic-tac-toe game. Once again, I am Charles Darren Motilla along with Joshua Rafael Guarin. Thank you.